Job of the day. Customer had an oopsie. I'm gonna fix it. And going up. Good. Put my dump die in. And backing plate coming off. Probably should take all that other stuff off first. Come on. Thank you. Threads are still good. Watch out. There we go. Beauty. Coming. Good bearings out. Spindle's still good. Let's get into the backing plate and pack a hub. Our new hub is getting packed right now. I hand packed the inner bearing. I'm gonna check the seal. There's two different style seals, or two different inner diameter seals. Usually it's this one, and that is correct. Cool. Seal is going on. Seal is installed. Let's pack the outer. Got grease in the outer. Let's pack the bearing. Grease all the way through the bearing. It is time to clean this van. Holy moly. Backing plate is on, everything's tightened down. Spindle is clean, everything's good on that. I've got the hub packed. Let's get this installed. Good. Washer, spindle nut, hand tight. Back off. Golden. Keeper. Tighten just a smidge. Spindle nut keeper's on. Need to wire up the brake. Oh, there's the dust cap. Good, good. Dust cap pounded. Dust cap is on. Clean dust cap. Brakes need to be adjusted out a little bit, I think. Actually, that sounds perfect. We'll leave that the way it is. Let's wire up the brakes and then test them. Looks like we got electric brakes blinking, obviously, since the wire is disconnected. I haven't wired it yet. Reverse, don't need it. 12 volt power. I'll see if that's hooked up to the battery. And right turns out, so let's see. Got a good start. I see one of the marker lights is off, but connectors going on the axle, and we shrink wrap. And butt connectors are shrink wrap. If my remote works with the brakes, hasn't been working. We got a brake wire out somewhere. No. See if I can just brute force power into it. Unless something got smashed. I'm still getting a blinking light. Maybe it's just dirty? Yeah, let's do marker lights. Marker lights are working. Oh, he's missing a couple lights there. Left turn's on and working. Right turn is not working. I am getting good marker lights for the right turn. I wonder if this got smashed. I think it did. It looks smashed right there. All right, let's see if the wire is bad. Right turn on. Marker lights. Okay, marker lights are good. Right turn is good. Okay, is it the light or did I pull it? Let's do a wire shake test here. Wire shake's good. Could just be a bad bulb. Oh, just a bad connection. Cool. All right, we'll bend that in. These are fixed. Of course that would happen. Grommet going back on. There we go. Better connection. I don't know why these things want to fight me so much. Good. Right turn's working. Tail markers. Tail markers are working. Let's do brake lights. I guess brake lights don't want to be a thing anymore. Right turn. Okay. Right turn's good. Left turn's good. Tail markers are good. He does need 3 lights. But everything else is working. This one came out. Marker works. Check the front. And the front is not working here. Flathead screwdriver is the play. Oh, this came on. Bad connection, looks like. Clean the connection. Where's my cleaner? Good connection clean. Connection good. Connection good. Let's see if it happens again. Much better. Cool. Oh, it's working. Might be a bad light. The diode might be going out. It works now. We got a broken wire somewhere for brakes. We just gotta find it. All right, there is it. Oh, that was gnarly on the funny bone. Oh, got a bad connection here. Pull this out. Everything is good on that. Oh, all right, jump it a little ahead. Found out where the broken line was. My camera died, so did some troubleshooting. But I found out where the broken line was. This was all disconnected, so I gotta run new wire across the axle. Don't have a wire puller that goes into this axle, so the zip tie it is. Gold zip ties. Tight. And last one. Take my zip tie gun. Boom. That's just coming loose. Okay, tight. 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 Okay. Wires ran, wire it up to the other side, and then shrink wrap it again. Ugh. Wiring inside this axle got cut because I got smashed. Yep. Snip. Send. Redo this connection. And do it. The brake lock up? It did. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Sweet. All right, let's check all the other brakes. Rear axle brake is working. I need to check the other side. Let's shrink wrap all these butt connectors though. And all connections are wired in and shrunk wrap. Rear axle works. I gotta see if the front axle works. Rear driver's side free spinning. Brakes are on. It's spinning, but it's not grabbing. I might just need brakes. See what the new set that I just put on. Free spinning. Electric brake is on. Yeah, it locked up. I think this thing needs brakes. Just check and make sure front axle's working. I'll have to schedule out to do brakes on the other stuff. But he also needs a bearing replacement and stuff like that. So it just needs a service. See if I can get front axle gripping. Okay, we got it spinning. Nothing on brakes. What's going on? Already asked me to check the charge line. I got everything taken care of. These were just disconnected, so I put them back on the terminals. Tester is testing. Battery says it's fair. Okay, it works. Put this back inside. He can test off of this plug-in now, and he's charging off his charge line now. Good. I'm gonna have to schedule out for doing those brakes. I am running out of daylight. I'm gonna do the rundown on this. I came out because he lost an outer bearing. So a new hub, bearings, new backing plate on the passenger side rear. Spindle was clean, everything was good. Put it all back together. I did get his rear axle working for brakes. His front axle is getting power, but no brakes. I can slightly hear him rubbing. I'm pretty sure he needs 3 new backing plates on the other ones, as well as bearings. I got all his marker lights working. His right turn wasn't working, so I cleaned the connection, got it to work. All his charge line stuff is back onto his battery. What else does he need? I think that's good. His equalizers, rockers all look good. Tires look good. This one's kind of fried, but I think that's a new axle, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Let's see if it's bent. No, axle's perfectly fine. Tires fine. Those are like the 14 ply 225s. Yeah, he's good on that. I'm gonna torque the lug nuts on the back and then clean up and get out of here. I'm gonna torque all the lug nuts, but starting passenger side rear, one that I put on. Good, passenger side rear done. Passenger side front. Passenger side front done. Driver side rear. Rear done. Front. All lug nuts torqued. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next.